Maicao is located in the department of La Guajira in Colombia, next to the border of Venezuela. It is also the northern part of South America. Maicao has a population approximately of 526,148 people. Most of the people who live in Maicao are Indians known as Wayu, and they also have a large Middle Eastern community. Maicao has always had a high level of contraband because of the government regulation and high tariff for certain products. Also, another reason for the high level of contraband is the closeness to Venezuela and the Caribbean islands. There are two types of contraband going on in Maicao. The first one is the small-scale contraband. This type of contraband involves products of massive use and food. Some of these products are ketchup, mayonnaise, vegetable, rice, pasta, and sometimes frozen meat products which are brought from Venezuela. We can also find small quantities of cell phone, clothes, cosmetics, and oriental carpet. This type of contraband is known by the local as the miseria. The second type of contraband is a large scale. In this type of contraband, we can find tobacco, alcohol, chemicals, drugs, guns, ammunition, gas, and stolen cars from Venezuela. This type of contraband is monopolized by the organized crime. One of these groups are the Black Eagle. Gas is known as the best business in the area. The gas is brought from Venezuela, where the liter of gas is less expensive than a bottle of water, and then taken to the interior of Colombia and sold for an elevated price. Gas is also used for the elaboration of cocaine, and having a cheaper gas would lower the price of production of this drug. Drug is the second largest business in Maicao. Maicao is used as a jumping point to Venezuela, where the drug is later trafficked to the United States, Mexico, Spain, and South Africa. In Maicao, they also smuggle a large amount of weapons and ammunition, which are brought from Venezuela and some Middle Eastern countries. These guns and ammunition, in the majority, are sold to members of the guerrilla group of the area known as La FARC, and also paramilitary groups. You will also find a large amount of stolen vehicles from Venezuela. These stolen vehicles are sold in Colombia with a fake circulation papers. These cars sometimes are sold by the previous owner and then reported as stolen to the Venezuelan government so they can claim the insurance policy of the vehicle. These vehicles are also taken to shops where they are disarmed in pieces to later be introduced to the Colombian country as illegal auto parts. Alcohol is also a high demand product in Maicao, which is brought by boat from the Caribbean islands of Aruba and Curacao. It's then distributed to the interior of Colombia and some parts of Venezuela.